What's the meaning of bolus? Bolus. Bolus.
Bolus. Bolus. The term bolus can have different meanings depending on the context. In medical terms, a bolus refers to a dose of medication or fluid that is given quickly through an intravenous line. This can result in a rapid increase in the concentration of the substance in the bloodstream, which can lead to various physiological effects. For example, a bolus of glucose may be given to a diabetic patient experiencing low blood sugar levels, resulting in a quick boost of energy. Similarly, a bolus of anesthesia may be given to induce unconsciousness in preparation for surgery. The precise effects of a bolus depend on the specific substance being administered and the individual's physiological response to it.